Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Sims 4 when it refuses to open on Steam. First, open your Steam app. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click Library in the top menu bar to view your list of games. Find Sims 4, right-click on it, and select Properties. In the Properties window, click the Installed Files tab. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check for missing or corrupted files and re-download them if needed. If Sims 4 still does not open, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager. Scroll through the list of active applications and find Steam. Right-click on it, select Details, then find steam.exe and choose End Process Tree. After closing Steam, reopen it and run it as administrator to ensure proper permissions. If the issue persists, open the EA app and use its repair feature for Sims 4. This can resolve deeper issues that Steam may not detect. And that is it. You have just completed a few key steps to fix Sims 4 not launching on Steam. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.